Capitalizing off of trending topics is a very, very good way to explode your business. If you can just meet demand with your supply, growing your business becomes a lot easier, especially if you know how to grow it with machine learning algorithms like meta ads. And in today's video, we're gonna go over how this store that I actually talked about months ago, I think maybe even over a year ago, probably under a year ago, but it was a while ago, and how they've been able to scale up to 4 million a month by capitalizing on one of the most insane trends in the last year. So the trend I'm talking about is called cold plunge. You probably have heard of this. People are going crazy over going in cold plunges. This looks like what I wish my stock portfolio would look like in the next few months. I have high hopes, but it's just a really crazy trend. However, if you don't know, having like a cold plunge is super expensive. They're like 5K, or it's basically like buying a tub and filling it with cold water. But nevertheless, the health benefits of cold plunges are not to be overstated, right? And here we have a brand that just decided, you know what? Cold plunges are pretty dang cool, but why are they so dang expensive, right? That's the simplest problem out there to solve. But they were able to solve it brilliantly, and they executed at a really high level. So what they created is a little plunge that's portable and small and super affordable. It's $115 as opposed to like $2,000. Now, as you see, they've created a better one now even. So this is totally new, and it's $1,000. So they're going crazy now, adding new products. And it's really interesting, right? Because when we first found this brand, they only had this. They were going really hard on TikTok, and they were starting to scale up. They were at like 100K a month. And now they're at 4.4 million a month, which actually isn't, that's incredible. That's so much money. But their average order value is so high that it takes less orders than it would for, any other kind of store. So that's kind of interesting. Now they're using the impact theme now as well. I remember they used to use a different theme. They bought a paid theme now on Shopify, which, by the way, if you enjoy these videos, if you're getting some sort of value from this, use that link in the description to help yourself start a Shopify plan for only $1 a month. It's an amazing deal, and you're helping the channel out as well. I really appreciate all of you that use my link. It's, just a great way to support the channel in a mutually beneficial deal. Now, as you see here, they are also running a significant amount of meta ads. They were not doing that before either. They were solely relying on TikTok and a little bit of meta, but now they must have hired a team or something, because they are going crazy when it comes to meta. Again, 170 different results is a significant amount of creative testing that they're doing. But again, it makes sense. When you want to scale up, you want to find the pockets, or not the pockets, but rather the ads that are going to get the best results on meta. And that's what I meant by machine learning algorithm. As you find the best ads and you start increasing the budget on those audiences, the system starts to learn, find more customers, and then you just repeat this process over and over again, and you build a massive business. So they're using really simple UGC ad formats. Take a look. They're educating people. This is such a genius thing to do, is educate your audience, and they'll be likely to buy your product if you educate them and give them value. So they're doing that really, really well, as you see here. Pretty insane, right? Pretty incredible work that they're doing. And they're running a ton of different ads like that, testing different, captions, different. This is not a cap. This is just like a retargeting ad right here. They're running a lot of different stuff. They're running an ad here with Dr. Huberman and Joe Rogan.
So do cold plunges actually work? It's 11 minutes of uncomfortable but safe cold exposure per week total.
Yo, wait, this is actually genius. So they're using their clips in order to promote the benefits of a cold plunge, not necessarily their specific cold plunge, though they are running this as an ad. I would be careful with this sort of stuff. Whoever's working at Ice Plunge on the ads, hit me up. We have a meta ads agency, and we love to do this kind of stuff. So maybe there's some synergy that we could do to work together to scale even further while keeping things a little bit safer, because even though that ad is very clever, there could be some copyright issues with it. I don't want you guys to get in trouble. But that's really about it for this video. Make sure you check out some of the links in the description. We covered a lot of stuff here. We covered the theme that they're using, the trend that they're riding, the ads that they're running, the website and product idea that they are pursuing, just so many cool things, very condensed video. So again, watch this all over again if you didn't get enough value. Maybe you just missed something I said, who knows? But that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.